Hi, today we are going to see how to rotate image in Photoshop. First open your photo in Photoshop, then select your layer that you want to rotate. Then press Ctrl plus T. A transform box will appear. Now hover over the mouse outside of the layer. Your mouse cursor will be look like this. Press the left mouse button and drag it. It will start to rotate. Rotate it as much you want, and when you will release it, it will stay like this, and you have to press this tick icon for confirming the rotation. The image is rotated. So this is how you can rotate image in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.